Section 15. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is k, k for king. I want you to find the letter k on page 15 in your book. Page 15 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound k. We have already worked with the k, k for cat, but this k we will find in different words. Say the sound and words after me. K, k. K for kite. K for kettle. Let's read it again. K for kite. K for kettle. We are now going to practice writing the sound k. Put your pointing finger on the first k. I'm going to show you how to write the sound k. We start at the top, to a straight line down. We go to the middle of the tummy, up to the middle line. Then we go to the middle of that line down to the bottom line. I want you to take your finger and trace the k. I'm going to show you again. We go down to the bottom line. Go to the middle line, up to the top. And in that line, go to the middle, down to the bottom. Now you take your crayon and trace over the k as the pencil has shown you. Now that we have traced the first letter, k, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second letter. I'm going to show you how to write the k. Start at the top, a straight line. Go to the middle, up to the line, the middle of this line down to the bottom line. Please take your finger and trace the k. Now take a crayon and trace the second k. Now that we have traced the second k, let's go to the last k. Put your finger on the last k. I'm going to show you. Start at the top to the bottom. Go to the middle, up to the line, to the middle of this line, down to the bottom line. Trace it with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace over the last k. Let's read it again. K for kite. For kettle. Now that you have practiced writing all the k, let's see if you can write the letter on your own. Follow the arrows. If you have finished writing the letter K, you can color in the king. K for king. The king lives in a palace. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 16.